Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload your documents using Continia document capture and uploading them into Business Central. So in this example, I'm going to be using a purchase invoice that we can imagine a vendor has sent us that we need to pay, and we want to load this into Business Central. So to do this, it all works through emails. So if we click this submit document button, and if you can't see this on your page, you can either search for document categories and click on that, or you can change your role to the Continue document capture role. And how this will work is whenever a vendor sends us a purchase invoice, it will be sent to this email and that will automatically upload it to Continue document capture. So what we can do to make this easier for vendors is we could set up an email that could be vendor_invoices@ourcompany.com, and this will automatically forward to this email. So that way it's simple for the vendor to send to, and they will always end up at this email automatically. And then we could do this for each of these purchase orders. We could have a different email and so on. For me to use this, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just send it directly to this email. And all I need to do in here is add the attachment that I want to send. As you can see, I've got a purchase invoice set up ready. So upload this and press send. We don't need a subject or any text if we don't want to. As long as the invoice is in there, the document capture will handle the rest. So once this is sent, we can return to here. And as you can see, it's come up saying pending OCR. So this is it reading it and getting it ready for us. So in a second, we'll see that this will change ready to import to 1. And as you can see, it's now ready to import.